Hello, I haven't updated in a while. I just want to tell you guys that I've been working on one really big project. And this past week, I worked on something a little smaller for a hackathon. I'm going to update you on both, but right now, let's talk about the hackathon project I made. The goal was to make a card game. Um, and I built a pretty good foundation for what I think it could be any card game. Basically, I built a tabletop simulator for a deck of cards. Um, Here you can sign in. Up here, I have two windows open because I'm going to simulate two users because the backend is on Ruby on Rails, and I used ActionCable to have WebSockets and have chat and multiplayer functionality. So here's a lobby. Once you log in, you go to the lobby, and there's a chat in the lobby. So we can say hello to each other. And each tab is connected directly to the server through a WebSocket. And when you type one thing in on this end, the browser is connected to the server directly. And then it broadcasts that message to everyone who's subscribed to that channel. In the lobby here, we see we have a lot of games. We can make a new one. You see that the last game we had is game 371. So if we create a room though, because of the WebSockets, it updates instantly. On this end, we now have game room 372. We can join that room by clicking on it. And in each game room, we also have a chat again, just separate from the lobby chat. So each there's a lobby chat and a chat channel for each chat room. Each game room has its own independent chat that we can talk to. And it's private and connected to each other. We can see that there. So we can join the game here. The other player can join the game. And once there's two people sitting, we could hit start game. And there we go. It deals cards to both players. And the functionality of the game is all, the basic functionality of a game is all there, coded in. We could play a card. When it's your turn, you could draw a card. Or you could draw from the discard pile. And all the cards know where they belong. They know, so you can play, draw, and all the animations are done with React Spring and React Gesture. So the animation is nice, smooth, and physics-based. We can, let's see, it's Summer's turn, so we'll draw there. And all the cards are draggable and interactive, so you can move them around. But the way I have them coded is that all the cards know where they belong in the game. So even though a player may mess around and just play around with all the objects, everything has a home on your screen and it updates with each play. My next goal is to actually build the game logic of the game on top of this. And so, but it's going to have, I'm going to code many different game logics. And so a user will be able to select a game type and then start that kind of game, and the logic will handle discard and draw and winning conditions. Yeah, and I hope at the end of this I have a nice social chat app with a game with many card games embedded into it. Yeah, it is live. I deployed it. The link should be in my post, and you can see my GitHub in there also. And I have something bigger that I'm working on for even longer, and I hope to show that to you later. Thank you.